Therefore, since we are surrounded by so great a cloud of witnesses, let us also lay aside every weight and sin which clings so closely, and let us run with endurance the race that is set before us. Each person's race is simultaneously different and the same. The path that is laid before each person may vary, but the end goal is the same: God. We are all striving to be with Him, not that we would become gods, but that we would find unity with our Creator. For this reason, like unstrapping shackles from our ankles and wrists, we cast off the sin that clings so closely. We strive every day to be free from it, because every day it comes back, sometimes stronger than before. Persevere, endure, strive against sin. Christ will see you through. He is faithful. You're listening to Oratio, part of your Morning Drive for the Soul, here on Worldwide KFUO, Christ for you, anytime, anywhere.